So basically, all your problems can be solved just by this one technique. Hello everyone, I'm Sadhika. Welcome back to my channel, The Self Development. I usually make videos about various self development materials available, but this video is a little different. It was a few days ago when my friend Pranjali asked me if there were types in meditation. So, I'm not a very big expert in meditation, but I have read many books, and I usually keep experimenting with the different ways of meditations and all. So I thought I'll summarize in this video entirely what I have learned about meditation. Hope you will like it. So meditation as a practice has been around for thousands and thousands of years. I think the oldest place where I can find meditation is in the Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, where Patanjali has written the science of yoga. Is called Yoga Sutra. So in the Yoga Sutra, in chapter 2 verse 11, he writes Dhyanahe yasta vrittayah, which basically means that the modification of kleshas can be burned down by meditation. What are kleshas? Kleshas are basically afflictions. Anything that causes you pain can be burned down by meditation. That is the level to which he has appreciated the practice of meditation. That to 2000 years ago. Even today, scientifically, there are many researches that prove that there are numerous benefits of meditation. It improves your attention, it improves your alertness, your mindfulness, it increases your mental health, it increases your self-worth, it boosts your immunity. There are numerous benefits of meditation. Now, coming over to the types of meditation, there are many types of meditations, but I usually prefer to categorize them into three main categories depending on the results they provide us. The first category is the relaxation type of meditation, where the result is relaxation. You get relaxed, you get calm and quiet. So this type of meditation usually includes ones like Shavasana, where you just lay down like a corpse and you stay in that state for some time, or Nishpanda Bhav, where you just close your eyes and you listen to the sounds around, or you just sit down in a comfortable position and focus on breathing. So all these are the traditional age old types of meditations that we have learnt. The second type of meditation, I believe, is not only something that helps you focus on an object, but it also makes you use a little bit of your imagination, and the effect is also a little more. So this type of meditation provides you relaxation and a little bit of happiness. And these meditation include things like chakra cleansing and Silva's centering exercise. So when you do this, you not only feel relaxed, but you also feel happy, and it stays with you for a longer duration. So now coming over to the third type of meditation. See, now you have become relaxed, you have become happy. Is that enough? I mean, come on, we live in an age of optimization. We want to extract the maximum out of everything. And let's face it, just being relaxed and being happy does not solve all our problems. We still have to decide where we need to invest our money. We still have to decide whom to spend our life with. We still have to decide which school our kids will go to. There are so many decisions and choices to be taken in life. So this third type of meditation combines relaxation plus happiness with a purpose. This has the largest number of meditations of different types. It includes meditation for achieving your goals, it includes meditation for improving your writing, for meditation for art, meditation for sustainability meditation, it is like if you can't convince yourself to protect the environment and live consciously, you need to do the sustainability meditation. Anyway, that's a topic for a different video. But overall, these are all the types of meditations. So I try to actually talk everything about meditation in one video, but the video is getting just too long, so I've decided to cut it into two parts. So in this video I've explained you the benefits and the types of meditation. In the next video I will be explaining you the science behind meditation. Do make it a point to see that video, because you will be totally amazed as to how this beautiful scientific phenomenon is affecting us in our day-to-day lives, and how you can harness more out of it and live your life to the fullest potential. So if you have any doubts about whatever I have said in this video, do share with me in the comments. I'll try to answer all your questions. Also give this video a like, and thanks for watching.